All right, guys, so I decided to put together a little scene here, and this is using all of like the Chinese food and all the sushi and everything that came with the two sets from Five Below, the teeny tiny sets. So this is two sets put together. So the little table is from the the initial set, not the one that I just showed you guys. So the little table is the set from like December, November maybe, but they do still have those online and in stores as far as I know, at least my stores. And then the little rice cooker is also from that set. And then you got the little boba tea, and this purple boba came with that original set. And that soy sauce actually came from a totally tiny set that I got probably last year, maybe the year before, I'm not even sure. But then you got the little fondue set. So all these little pieces came, with those two sets. And then I just made a little table setting. So you got the two little sushis. And then there's also a couple pieces like these sushi rolls here came from the market set that I got from the Lori dolls. So that's what that is from. But all the little pieces do work well together. I will say some of the scaling is a little bit off, but all in all, like they work well together. Like once you put everything together, it kind of just it goes. Now my tables don't match. This isn't actually a table. It's like a cardboard lid that I put on a base, but I didn't have anything big enough. I didn't have like a huge dining table or anything, so I had to improvise. So this is what I came up with. But yeah, everything kind of just works well together. These pieces here, I'll show you in a second here. This is the bento box that came with the set that I got yesterday. The stuff inside of it is actually a totally tiny set that I got again. It came with the other pieces there. This bento box to me is pretty big and it doesn't fit with the other items. This to me would be more of a Barbie scale, whereas the other stuff is more like 1/12 Lori doll or like 1/12. That's the little doll from the Dollar Tree, and the stuff suits her pretty well, like size wise. You can see her standing next to it, and everything just kind of suits her and her size. So that's kind of how I measure everything out. Next to Barbies, they're just really big. So let me see if I have my Barbie dolls over here. So I have this one. The pieces are just really big, in my opinion, for a Barbie doll. Like you can see just the comparison. But again, I think, let me stand her up. Oh, stand her up somewhere. She doesn't have shoes on, so it makes it a little bit harder. Okay, so she's standing there, and I think the bento box pieces suit her much better. Like the pieces that came with that. But everything else is much smaller scale, except for that big old rice cooker. That thing is huge for but it came with it. So I just kind of put it up there. But you see, once everything is together, it kind of works well. So these are the two sets and everything that came in them underneath the little sushi or whatever the conveyor belt table is. It's just one of the Dollar Tree dollhouse pieces and it just fits on there perfectly. So that's why I put it on there. This is just a little crate from the Dollar Tree. Just like I said, I was trying to find places to put everything. So I think it works well. Um, and I think it's cute. So everything, like I said, just kind of works well together, set up like that. And I just wanted to show you guys what everything looked like together. And again, you can take them apart, maybe split them up into different doll houses, or if you want to make like a whole restaurant, you definitely have all the stuff that you need. I was actually thinking of like getting a little um, really low table and like getting pillows and putting everything on the floor kind of deal, but this is what I came up with. So just wanted to show you everything, and I'm going to be working on whatever the next set is. I can't remember what I have. Either, I don't know, whatever the next set is, I'm going to make another scene with it. Just wanted to show you what this looked like. All right, until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye, guys.